dolls! Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be just kind of a quick hack DIY video on how to take in the waist of your jeans. I got these jeans right here from Cotton On and they're a size 4 and they're the perfect color and cut and everything except for the waist. These are like at least a size 6 or 8 fitting, but they are a size 4. They just ran really big. So I was going to be doing this hack on them anyways today, and I thought I'd just film it because it is so amazingly helpful, and I just thought you guys should know about it because there's no sewing involved. I do a little bit of sewing, but you totally do not have to. I'm not going to be cutting down the side or anything like this, and if you mess up or anything, nothing's wrong with it, and you can just revert it right back to the original and you are totally fine and you don't ruin pairs of jeans. So anyway, I don't want to give too much away, so let's get right into the video. So this is what they look like on. Clearly a little bit too big and a lot of gapping in the back here, as you can see, and I want it to be able to cinch to my butt like this, so my butt actually looks good in them instead of just coming straight flat up like this. Okay, so here are our jeans. And what we're going to be doing is using elastic to kind of create almost an invisible belt inside the waistband here. So we're going to be cutting a slit halfway through the jean waistline here and here and running the elastic through. That way it cinches in. So first we're just going to start our little cut here, and definitely make sure you're not cutting through the back of the jeans. So here's my first little cut right here. And then I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. And then I'm going to take the elastic and I'm going to put a safety pin on one of the ends of elastic like this. And then we are just going to run the elastic through the waistband to the other side. I'm running into a minor problem here, and it's just that these labels are sewn through all the way to this side, so they're stopping the elastic from going through the waistband. So I'm just going to cut off the labels, that way they aren't in my way. Okay, now back to running the elastic through here. Should work this time. And then with the safety pin on it, it makes it a lot easier to keep track of as you're running it through the fabric. And then just make sure you don't lose your elastic on the other side whenever you pull it out here. And then your elastic is in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to safety pin this to the jeans, like so. And then now that this is safety pinned down, I'm just going to try it on and see how much I need this cinched right here, and then mark it. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm just going to pull it through until I find that mark, which is right here. And then I'm just going to safety pin this down, and then cut off the elastic right here. And now you have your invisible belt installed with the elastic, and you can stop right here with the safety pins, or you can go ahead and sew it actually sewn onto the fabric, which is what I'm going to do. So now with the safety pins still in it, I'm just going to sew the ends of the elastic really secure onto the jeans. And then once it's all the way secure, you can then go ahead and remove the safety pin. And then once you get both of the sides done, you are all set and ready to wear your new and fitting pair of jeans. So now they fit me perfectly in the front, and they're all cinched in the back. Makes my butt look better now that it's tight up on my waist, and it's just kind of like a built-in belt kind of look. But now they are fully wearable, and I love these jeans. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found this hack helpful, especially when online shopping for jeans it can be tough, and I feel like this really makes the jeans still look nice and seamless while actually still fitting your waist and not cutting the jeans up. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and also let me know if you did try it down in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.